Hello and welcome to the A to Z channel. In this lecture, we will study how to add the binary numbers. As we know, the binary number system has only two digits, the 0 and the 1. So we have only 4 possibilities for adding, and they are 0 plus 0 equal to 0, 0 plus 1 equal to 1, 1 plus 0 equal to 1, 1 plus 1 equal to 2, and we write it as 10 in binary number system. Let us take an example to illustrate the idea. Example, add these two binary numbers 10011 plus 11010, writing the numbers one under the other. So 1 plus 0 is equal to 1, 1 plus 1 is equal to 2, and as we know, we write it in the binary number system as 10. So we put 0 and carry 1 to the next left column. Now we add the carry 1 plus 0 plus 0, and this is equal to 1. 0 plus 1 is equal to 1. And finally, 1 plus 1 is equal to 10. So we write 0 and 1 because this is the last column in the numbers. Let us take another example with a decimal point. Add these two binary numbers, 10.11 plus 100.1. Write the numbers one under the other. Line up the decimal points. Add the trailing zeros so the numbers have the same length. So 1 plus 0 is equal to 1. 1 plus 1 is equal to 10. So we write 0 in the answer and carry 1 to the next left column. Then place the decimal point in the answer directly below the decimal points in the terms. Now we have 1 carry plus 0 plus 0, and this is equal to 1. 1 plus 0 is equal to 1, and 0 plus 1 is equal to 1. If you want to use an app to solve your homework with step-by-step, you can use this fantastic app. Where with this app, you can convert numbers from any base to any base, find complements, and do math between numbers in different bases. Let us try it and add two binary numbers and see how it is solving the problem. In the more arithmetic section of this app, select the base 2. Then, for example, write a number 11011.11 plus 1010.001. As you can see, the app gives you the result directly, which is 100.101.111. Let's see the steps of solution. As you can see, the app explained each step to illustrate the solution. You can follow the steps to understand the solution. This app is giving you the ability to do math between numbers in different bases, up to base 36. I will leave the link to download the Logic app from the App Store in the description. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and follow us on social media. All links are in the description.